Do you know how and where your identity and data are stolen? At the airport. Do you remember how many times you have used the public Wi-Fi? When you use the public Wi-Fi in restaurants and coffee shops, when you make payments online, when you use public or unknown USB chargers, when in a taxi or vehicle you share the Wi-Fi, when you browse web pages and make online payments, your accounts can be hacked. You need to hide your IP urgently now. Because if you don't hide your IP, they can steal everything from you. You must do it now before it is too late. If you want to browse the internet safely without your identity and data being stolen, you must install the most awarded software in recent years. You will protect your computer and cell phone at the same time. You must click on the link in the description and download it for free. Next, see how you can install it on your computer and also on your cell phone.